From Tokyo's neon streets to the snow-covered highways of Canada, the Toyota RAV4 has carved a legacy that spans continents, generations, and lifestyles. Introduced the RAV4's origin in 1994 as the first compact crossover SUV. Evolution through 5 generations, highlighting design, tech, and performance upgrades. Global impact: over 10 million units sold, top-selling SUV in the US, Europe, and Australia. Emotional resonance: real-world stories of reliability, adventure, and family memories. Transition to design: let's explore how the 2025 RAV4 turns legacy into modern-day brilliance. Bold lines. Sculpted edges. A stance that says, "I'm ready." Front grille evolution: from utilitarian to aggressive elegance. LED lighting, aerodynamic contours, and hybrid-exclusive accents. Color palette: urban metallics, forest greens, and desert bronze. Wheel options: roof rails, and panoramic sunroof. Design philosophy: rugged meets refined, built for city streets and mountain trails. Step inside. It's not just a cabin, it's a command center. Dashboard layout: driver-focused, intuitive controls, seating, Softex upholstery, heated/ventilated seats, memory settings, infotainment, 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, JBL sound, connectivity, USB-C ports, wireless charging, Wi-Fi hotspot, cargo space, fold-flat rear seats, dual-level floor, smart storage. Under the hood, the RAV4 is more than muscle, it's mastery. Engine options: 2.5L dynamic force, hybrid and plug-in hybrid transmission, 8-speed automatic and ECVT drive modes, Eco, Sport, Trail, EV, AWD systems, dynamic torque vectoring, multi-terrain select, real-world performance, acceleration, handling, towing capacity. Efficiency isn't a compromise, it's a superpower. MPG ratings: up to 41 city/38 highway, regenerative braking and energy recovery, battery tech, lithium-ion, long lifespan, fast recharge, emissions, LEV3, certified, eco-friendly driving, Toyota's green mission, carbon neutrality by 2050. Confidence isn't optional, it's engineered. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, pre-collision, lane tracing, road sign assist, passive safety, airbags, crumple zones, reinforced frame, parking aids, 360 degrees camera, blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, crash ratings, 5-star NHTSA, IIHS top safety pick, emergency tech, SOS button, automatic collision notification. Let's see how the RAV4 stacks up against the best. Honda CR-V, RAV4 wins on hybrid MPG and AWD tech. Mazda CX-5, RAV4 offers more cargo space and safety features. Hyundai Tucson, RAV4 leads in resale value and global reach. Subaru Forester, RAV4's hybrid edge and infotainment superiority. Tesla Model Y, RAV4's affordability and reliability versus EV novelty. Real voices. Real journeys. Real RAV4 commuters, fuel savings, comfort, reliability, adventurers, off-road capability, roof tents, weekend escapes, families, safety, space, tech for kids, long-term owners, 200,000 plus miles, minimal maintenance, global voices, US, Europe, Australia, Latin America. From Hollywood to Instagram, RAV4 is everywhere. Appearances in movies, TV shows, influencer road trips, social media trends, #RAV4 Life, TikTok challenges, Instagram Reels, celebrity endorsements, eco-conscious stars and adventure vloggers, fan mods, lift kits, wraps, rooftop tents, cultural symbolism. RAV4 is freedom, reliability, and smart living. So, is the RAV4 right for you? Trim breakdown: LE, XLE, XSE, limited, prime pricing, starts around $29,000, prime up to $42,000, financing tips, lease versus buy, hybrid incentives, who it's for, urban drivers, families, eco-warriors, adventurers. Closing pitch: the 2025 RAV4 isn't just a smart buy, it's a lifestyle upgrade.